If you're looking to set up teams and projects in Asana quickly and easily, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get your workspace organized and your project set up so you can start managing your work more effectively today. Stay tuned until the end because I'll also share how you can get access to this software completely free with some exclusive bonuses just for you. First, let's start with creating a team. To do this, simply head over to the sidebar and click on Teams. Then, hit the Create New Team button, give your team a name, and choose its privacy settings, whether you want it to be public or private. That's the first thing you need to do to get your Asana workspace ready for your projects. Next, let's talk about adding members to your team. After creating your team, you'll want to invite your colleagues or collaborators to join. To do this, click on Invite Members and input their email addresses. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be added to your team, and you can start collaborating. It's that simple. The third thing you need to know is how to set up a project. To do this, click on the Plus New Project button at the top of the screen. From here, you can choose between creating a blank project or using one of Asana's templates to speed up the process. Choose what works best for you and give your project a name. Don't forget to assign it to a specific team, which will help keep everything organized. Now, the fourth thing is assigning tasks within your project. Once your project is created, you'll want to break it down into smaller tasks. To do this, click on the project, hit Add Task, and give it a title. You can assign this task to someone, set a due date, and even attach relevant files. As you add tasks, you'll start to see everything come together. The fifth thing is setting up sections and milestones. This is where things get organized. For bigger projects, you can divide the work into different sections to make everything easier to track. You can also set milestones to mark significant points in the project, like the completion of major tasks. Next up, let's talk about tracking progress. Asana offers various ways to track your projects, such as the timeline and calendar views. You can switch between these views to see what's coming up, what's been completed, and what needs your attention. This gives you a clear picture of your project status. The final thing to mention is integrations. Asana can integrate with a ton of other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, making it easier to connect your projects with other platforms you use. Setting up integrations is simple. Just go to the Apps section and choose what you want to link. That's it. You now know how to set up teams and projects in Asana and how to get started managing your work effectively. Don't forget, you can use Asana for free from the first link below and get access to exclusive bonuses to make your work management even more powerful. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the extended free trial link in the description below. It's a great opportunity to take your team's productivity to the next level.